Super AMOLED touchscreen, 6.44 inches, Full HD Plus display. Resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 HDR10 Plus. OS Android 10.0 with Realme UI 1.0. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, GPU Adreno 650. Quad main camera, 64 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor, LED flash. Dual front camera, 32 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide. (12 GB RAM, 256 GB internal storage. Fingerprint scanner, side mounted, dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, USB 2.0 Type C. Non-removable 4200 mAh battery, fast battery charging, 65 watts, 100% in 35 minutes.